Floppy disk.
I don't know what is floppy disk.
Floppy disk. The definition?
Floppy sticks.
Oh, before thumb drives, we had floppy disks.
Yes.
It's a 5.5 inches.
1.4 MB.
Yeah.
The old school way of storing the data on, like now is we have CDs and DVDs and hard drives. That time there was floppy disk.
Oh, floppy disk is probably students do not know that used to be the way in which we store data.
It is first generation, I remember it's almost 1998 to 2005, 2005.
Floppy disk. Ancient.
Floppy disk, I've still got floppy disks. I've got floppy disks at home. There was two types of floppy disks. There was the big 5.25 inch and then the smaller 3.5 ones, which were not really floppy but a lot easier to carry.